Welcome to the World Bioenergy Association. My name is Rakos. I'm currently the chairman of this organization. Besides this honorary function, I'm also running the Austrian Pellet Industry Association, an association that is promoting the use of wood pellets in Austria as a sustainable fuel to replace fossil fuels. For me, bioenergy is an opportunity to introduce local sustainable development. Development that is based on the resources that are around us that we didn't use properly in the past. It's a possibility to use technology in a way that uses these residues in a very clean and efficient way. The purpose of World Bioenergy Association is the promotion of sustainable bioenergy use. What that needs most is learning, because there are a lot of very well developed technologies and practices that allow to use bioenergy in a sustainable way, in a clean way, in a way that protects the environment. But of course we also have ways that are not sustainable because they are wasting natural resources, because they are polluting. So it is all about changing from unsustainable practices to sustainable practices, to practices that protect the environment, that add to local sustainable development and local human development. For me, this is an excellent example for sustainable bioenergy use. It's a pellet cooker. This cook stove is 3 times as efficient as an open fireplace, and it reduces the emissions by 99%. So it's a clean device that is using bioenergy efficiently in a way that protects the human environment, but also the grown environment. Promise of this device is that it can be operated with pellets from agricultural residues. So from things that we didn't use in the past that were probably wasted in the fields. In Africa, 4 million hectares of forest are destroyed every year because people there need a lot of energy. These pellets can replace charcoal or firewood and help protect the forests. So that is what I call a truly sustainable alternative based on bioenergy that supports local economic development.